Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can lower the audio in your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I already have a clip over here, and I have audio with it, and I'm going to show you guys how you can lower this audio right here. You can select the audio, and then, or select both of them if they're linked, and go over into the inspector if you're in the edit tab, then just click on audio, and as you can see, you have this volume slider, which you can slide very easily and select whatever fits you best. You can do that, and you can do a couple of different things. You can modify the pitch as well, you can modify the sense as well, you can do whatever you want. But there is also a different way in which you can lower the audio, and that is by going into the Fairlight tab. And once you're here, as you can see, my audio is right over here. Just click on it, select it, and now you have all these options over here. You can go into the equalizer, and you can just drag the gain over down so that even less decibels are registered. You can also go in the top right, as you can see here, and this is also the volume slider. This will also edit the gain, and you can right click and you can browse through these options if you want, but those are pretty much all the options that you need to actually modify your volume. You also have this option here, as you can see. You can use that if you want to as well, but that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.